Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays up to $100 every 30 minutes, no skills needed. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let's hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website. The name of this website is UserBrain. So what you're going to do when you come to this website is click right here where it says Get Paid to Test. And what you're going to be doing, guys, is making money testing websites from home. So this is how it works. You're going to sign up and download our UserBrain Recorder for Google Chrome or UserBrain Recorder for iOS and start testing websites. Number two, you're going to speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 20 minutes. Then number three, you're going to receive new tests and get paid $5 per test via PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account, guys. Now, what happens after you apply? You'll be asked to record a qualification test. Don't worry, we'll give you a tour and a guide first so you know exactly how everything works. We then review your video and give you feedback on how and what you might improve in your future tests. If you're approved to be a UserBrain tester, you will start receiving paid tests. Now here's a question I know you guys want to answer to. How much will I get paid? You earn exactly $5 for every 5 to 20 minute test video that is approved. And here's a video you can check out to just get an example. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this site. Is really self-explanatory, very easy to do. You don't need any skills whatsoever. So go ahead and go to userbrain.com, sign up to become a tester, and start getting this money. Now I want to show you a bonus site where you're going to be doing the same thing and you're going to get paid some good money on that site also. All right, I'm at the next site. I'm not going to be too long on this site. This is a bonus site I just wanted to show you guys. So it's called TestBirds. So on this site, you're going to earn money in your spare time. As a test bird, you will hunt for software bugs to make applications and websites more usable. So it's similar to the other site. You're just going to be looking for bugs on this site, and you're going to report the bugs that you find. And all you got to do is just put your name and email address and location to sign up. Check this out. This is worldwide, guys. Y'all always ask me, is this site or this app worldwide? This is worldwide, as you can see here. Look at all these countries. Practically every country in the world is on here. So why be a test bird? So fair payment. Earn money by telling us your opinion about software. The payments are proportional to the complexity of the task. And you earn probably around 20 euros to 15 pounds for you guys that live in Europe. You got flexible hours, and you can use any device, laptop, mobile phone, desktop, watch, even a game console. And privacy, they keep all your information private, so you don't have to worry about that. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this site. It's another site that you can make some money testing websites. Alright, so to get started on this one, go to testbirds.com, sign up, and become a tester. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I talked about today in this video. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one other thing I want to do before I end this video, I like to do shout outs sometime. So I'm going to do a shout out today. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Keep watching my videos. Keep hitting that like button. And if you're sharing them, keep sharing them. Help this channel to grow. Okay guys, thanks again for your support. And thanks for watching. Hope you got some value out of this video. And please make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.